Continue with topic photosynthesis. Today we will discuss on photosynthetic pigments. The photosynthetic pigments are present in the chloroplasts. The thylakoid membrane of chloroplast have several types of pigments, that is chlorophylls and carotenoids. The chlorophylls are the most important necessary pigment, while carotenoids are supporting or accessory pigments. The chlorophyll A absorbs blue and red light, while carotenoid absorbs purple colored lights. Chlorophyll A are bluish green pigments. Chlorophyll B are yellowish green pigments. The carotenoid includes xanthophyll are yellow pigment, carotene are orange pigment, while pheophytin are grey pigment. The chlorophyll A is called as reaction center because it absorbs the different wavelengths of light and conversion of light energy into chemical form in the form of ATP. Hence, ATP are called as energy currency. The chlorophyll A acts as a primary pigment. It is also called as necessary or important essential pigment. It participates directly in light dependent reaction, that means it directly converts light energy into chemical form, that is ATP. It converts light energy to chemical energy, that is ATP and NADPH2 as a energy currency. While the chlorophyll B acts as a accessory pigment, that means it only absorbs the light and transfer towards chlorophyll A. The captured light transferred it to the chlorophyll A, hence it is called as accessory pigment. They having no ability to conversion of chemical form. Then it initiates the light dependent reactions. Next, the role of photosynthetic pigments in photosynthesis. The pigments are organized into two photosystems, that is photosystem first and photosystem second. Each photosystem consists of light harvesting system and reaction center. Light harvesting system includes the quantity of chlorophyll pigments, that is reaction center as a chlorophyll A, while other pigments like chlorophyll B, C, D, E, carotene, xanthophyll, etc. This is structure of chlorophyll. This is general structure. It consists of pyrophene ring with magnesium at the center and around it hydrocarbon chain. We observe the hydrocarbon chain, long hydrocarbon chain, and here the pyrophene ring with central magnesium atom. Most important is the magnesium Mg is located at the center of chlorophyll structure. These are the basic information regarding chlorophylls. Thank you.